Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show a really simple way how you can reset your columns. So let's say I'm going to add a columns here. I will edit it like this and also like this, and then I will just, I don't know, section, navigator, this column here. I would choose a column. I would change the style of the color to red, and then to blue. And what you can do, how you can reset it, is just when you're going to click on the section and then just click to structure and reset the structure. And this is how you reset the structure. This is also really important if you're going to have this section like with the CSS and everything. And again, to layout, structure, and reset. So this is how we do it. Thank you everybody. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. And yeah, thank you. Have a great day and goodbye.